The benefits of choosing a simple life. Minimalism versus consumerism. Living in today's world often means being surrounded by a culture of consumerism. We are constantly bombarded with messages that assign value to how much we own, how much money we spend, and how expensive our possessions are. We are encouraged to show off our belongings to others as a way to measure our success and happiness. However, there is another way to approach life that offers freedom, meaning, and satisfaction beyond material wealth. It is called minimalism. Consumerism, the relentless pursuit of buying and owning more, is like a never-ending treadmill. It promises happiness with each new purchase, but that joy quickly fades, leaving us longing for the next thing to buy. This endless cycle of desire and disappointment leaves us with cluttered homes, strained wallets, and distracted minds. In contrast, minimalism is an intentional decision to own less and live more. When we choose minimalism, we choose freedom. We free ourselves from debt, clutter, the passion to possess, and the stress that comes with maintaining too many possessions. Minimalism not only frees up physical space, but also mental space, allowing us to focus on what truly enriches our lives. Minimalism is not about removing joy, but about making room for it. It's about embracing gratitude for what we already have, instead of constantly seeking the next shiny object. We take the time to appreciate the blessings already present in our lives and look for better ways to contribute to society. By choosing minimalism, we decouple our self-worth from our belongings. We reject the narrative that equates happiness with material accumulation. In doing so, we free ourselves to live for relationships, personal development, and contribution. Owning less is better than accumulating more. Minimalism allows us to reclaim our time, finances, spaces, and peace of mind. But it's not solely about personal gain. By stepping off the consumer treadmill, we are better able to contribute to our communities and the world. Free from the pressure to constantly acquire, we find ourselves with more resources, time, money, energy, and focus to give to causes that truly matter. It's important to note that minimalism is not a one-size-fits-all philosophy. It's not about fitting your life into a prescribed box. It's about making room for more peace, more experiences, more growth, more contentment, and more of what truly matters to you. Minimalism is the intentional promotion of our greatest values by removing anything that distracts us from them. So consider this your invitation to step off the path of consumerism and begin your journey towards minimalism. It's a choice to live a fuller, more intentional life. By choosing minimalism, you're not just enriching your own life, but you're also making a conscious decision to contribute to the world around you. Doesn't that sound amazing? If you found today's message meaningful, kindly share, like, or comment. Your involvement and interaction truly make a difference. And to stay connected with our content, be sure to subscribe. Thank you. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.